Hope you are very safe and healthy at your own respective houses. It's been long time that you are disconnected with your studies and your school, so I'm here to take you back to the world of knowledge again. Okay, now today I'm going to start from the very first chapter of your mathematics textbook, and that is integers. So, what are integers? Before knowing the answer of this question, we should know other particular types of numbers which you have already studied in your previous classes. But maybe you might have forgotten about those, or you need a revision. So, I'm there to give you a recap of all those type of numbers. First of all, what are natural numbers? Most of you must be knowing them. Still, we are going to rewind it. Natural numbers are the numbers which occur naturally. For example, if you ask a kid to start counting, what will he do? He will start 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So, natural numbers are the numbers which start from 1 and end till infinity. That is, we can go on counting till infinity. Like, if I'll ask you how many legs do you have, you will be having a number 2. If I'll ask you how many books you have, some of you may say 4, some of you may say 5. So you have a particular positive number for that. All these are natural numbers. Another question arises, is there something that exists below 1? Yes, there is something that exists below 1, and that is 0. So what are whole numbers? What does whole means? Whole means including all. So the numbers in which we include 0 are whole numbers, or the numbers which start from 0 and end till infinity are called whole numbers. For example, if a child is having 2 chocolates and the other child takes one from the child, what is he left with? Only one chocolate. And if I'll take that one chocolate also, how many chocolates now he has? 0. So yes, there exists a number below 1 and it is 0, and whole numbers starts from 0 and includes all the natural numbers. Here is one important thing you should remember, that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Next is there anything that exists below 0? Yes, the numbers that are negative exist below 0. There are certain numbers like -1, -2, -3 till infinity, which we call as negative numbers, and they exist below 0. What is the proof that there is a number below 0 or there are negative numbers? For this, I'm going to give you a very well known example of the temperature. All of you must be aware of temperature. What is temperature? During summer season, very hot days in plain areas, the temperature might go up as high as 50 degrees Celsius or more, or a little below that, right? But during winter, especially in hilly areas like Shimla, where there occurs a snowfall, the temperature may go down as -7 degrees, -6 degrees, right? 0 degrees Celsius is that temperature where the water converts into ice. And when the temperature goes below that, we say it is -1, -2, -3, -4. Hence, we can prove that yes, there are numbers that occurs below 0 and they are negative numbers. So now we come to our main question, the major question, which we have started with. What are integers? So the integers are the numbers including all the negative numbers, 0, and all the natural numbers. The numbers which include negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers are known as integers. Fine. Now next question, do you know what number line is? Okay, have you ever seen a scale in your geometry box? Always, you daily see that. It is a half number line. We can consider it as half number line. There are numbers written on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a gap of around 1 centimeters, right? But there is no zero and no negative numbers in that. Hence, I'm saying that it is a half number line. So a number line is one which considers all the negative numbers, 0, and the positive numbers. And we can plot them, all these numbers on a number line. I'm going to show you what number line is to clarify it. You can see here, this is number line, right? These are negative numbers, this is 0, and these are positive numbers. And all these comprises of integers. So this is a number line. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Here it is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the negative numbers 0 and positive numbers all collectively known as integers. So I'll give you a recap of everything. What are natural numbers? Numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. What are whole numbers? Numbers starting from 0, 1, 2 till infinity. What are negative numbers? Negative numbers exist below 0. They start from -1 till infinity. What are integers? Collection of positive and negative numbers including 0 are known as integers. What is a number line? This is a straight number line having equal distances marked on it with 0, positive numbers and negative numbers, and these all are integers. Hope you have understood this basic concept of integers, of whole numbers, natural numbers, and number line. If you have any doubt in this, you can write to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. That's it for today.